Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix machine check exception black screen error in Windows 11. So firstly click on start, type device manager, open device manager. Now here guys, expand display adapters, right click on display adapter and update driver. Select this browse my computer and now select let me pick from a list and select your driver, then click on next. Now once you done, click on close and restart your PC, and hopefully guys this will fix and resolve problem. And guys still you are facing error after restart, so you can try the second method. Type cmd, right click on command prompt, run as administrator. Now here guys you have to type this command line sfc /scan now. So type this command line and press enter. Guys, it will take a couple of minutes, so complete this process, and once this procedure will be complete, close it and restart your PC or laptop. So thanks for watching guys. Please comment this method work for you or not, and by these simple and easy steps we can fix and resolve machine check exception black screen error in Windows 11. Please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.